everybody, welcome back to the channel. All right, so finally get to do a test on the Range Rover Sport. If you're new to the channel or you don't know too much about this vehicle, it is a 2019 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. It is a supercharged dynamic with the 5-liter supercharged V8, 518 horsepower. So I think Land Rover says 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Let's see what it can do. Let's get out there. And if you haven't already, check my other video with the X3M40i. And some people said they want to see these two vehicles sort of face off, and I think it'll be interesting. So let's see what I get for the result on the Range Rover, and then we'll compare it with the X3. Interesting. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I wasn't expecting. I wasn't actually expecting that. I was hoping the quarter mile would be in the high 12s, but I'm looking at the 0 to 60 time and I'm seeing the trap speed, and that tells me right away that this has a little trouble or just this weight getting off the line. Now, when I hit the pedal, the thing is strong. It pulls, and that's just immediate supercharger response of just having, first you got the displacement, plus you have the supercharger to aid. The thing just sits on there and squats, takes off. All right, so comparing the results, the X3 ran, I think, now I'm gonna do both times. I'm gonna tell you both roll out and not roll out. So the X3, I think its best performance was, let's see, 4.4. All right, now the rollout subtracted, that's 4.2. And the Range Rover's best was 5.04. And with the rollout, it's 4.7. Let's take the quarter mile time, at least we'll know kind of like the acceleration, you know, which one has, you know, we talk about the launch, 0 to 60, but let's see what the car does, what they both do in the quarter mile. X3, 1280s at 106 miles an hour. And the Range Rover was 13.1 at 107, about 108 miles an hour. So that tells me it's going to be pretty much a very close match. X3 gets on the line faster, obviously with launch control. I don't think I did launch control, but still X3 gets on the line faster. Range Rover has a stronger top end, rightfully so. Once the weight gets moving, the horsepower, it just takes over. But I think the Range Rover, I think in the real life situation, because most likely we're not going to be running quarter mile times on the streets, and we're not going to be, like I said, these are trying to do those spontaneous things that happen when you're at a stoplight or you're trying to merge and you need to accelerate. The Range Rover in real world situation is going to have a slight advantage because this track speed is higher, 1 to 2 mile an hour faster than the X3. And what does that translate to? Well, let's say if I'm merging on the highway and the X3 decides to speed up, if I'm on the gas first, they're not going to do anything to that. If they go to the gas first, you may be able to pull, but it may come down to the wire. It's one of those things. I think if we do side by side, if there's somehow where I can get these two cars side by side, then I think it would be good. I think what will happen is the X3 run away. Range Rover will be catching it, but by the end of the quarter mile, it won't be enough. And I think that's where it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. And if you like the video, if you want to see more, I have more content coming up here soon. Thank you for watching.